Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to add or change your profile photo on the Botim app. If you've just installed the app or want to update your picture, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Then, tap on the Edit icon, which is also located at the top right corner. Next, tap on Field Photo. After that, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right. From the menu, select Choose Photo. Next, browse through the photos stored on your phone and select the one you want to use as your profile picture. Once you have chosen your photo, tap on Choose to confirm your selection. Your profile picture will now be updated and visible to your contacts. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.